Hi, I'm LaPedis, the Garage Sale Millionaire. On all these episodes I'm doing, it's about tips on estate sale. A lot of people want to hire somebody. I'm saying, if you do hire somebody that does your estate sale, you're going to be paying them half to 70% of every dollar that comes in through that door. So just understand, it's the easiest way to do it, but I'm telling you, I think you should do your own estate sale due to the fact that you're selling a lot of personal stuff and you want to make sure you're not missing anything. Like with my mom in assisted living, she is asking me every day, Aaron, have you found this? Did you see this? And luckily I'm here at the estate sale, so I am finding stuff she's been looking for a long, long time. So do your own estate sale. Watch all the episodes that I'm doing, and you're going to make money, you're going to clear out your house, and you're going to be happy that you did it. And right on this episode, I'm going to talk to you about how do you get the most amount of people in your place. And that's very easy. I'm all about doing big signs, placing them on the intersection, definitely on the corners of your block, having the sign with arrows, make it easy, and definitely do something in front of your house saying it's a estate sale, come on in. A lot of people are nervous coming into people's houses, so you need to say on that sign in front of your house, estate sale, come inside. Open up the front door, prop it open so it looks welcoming, and just enjoy it. Have music going, make it where more cars drive up, then people are going to say, oh my God, I need to be at this estate sale. So 1, do signs. 2, tell all your friends on Facebook that you're having an estate sale. Go to next door. Put stuff on offer up. So put some of the big things on offer up and say you're having a garage sale. Put something on Craigslist. And if you want to spend a little money, and it is an estate sale, auction.net, estateauction.net is another great place for, I think, $80 that'll promote your weekend. And you'll get a lot of people from that. So those are all the things that I think you need to do roughly a week ahead of time, because people are going to ask you questions. You got to put photos with every ad that you do. You will get people that will be emailing you through Craigslist and asking you questions on what you have. So these are all things you want to do to promote your estate sale. The more you promote, the better it will become. If you do not have time to do these things, you shouldn't be doing an estate sale. You should be having somebody else pay somebody else to do it. There is a lot of work in an estate sale. I'm not going to lie to you, but I would have it no other way, even though I had to put 5 full days to my mother's estate sale. There's things I found, there's memories that I would have missed. It is a very emotional thing. I don't want to lie to you. It is. I'm going through all my mother's and father's personal stuff, seeing stuff from years gone by. It is very taxing. So be prepared for that. Maybe have a friend or a significant other help you out. There will be moments you may have to take a break because you are going to see things that probably going to make you sad. But that's the way it is. It's life. I'm Aaron LaPedis, the Garage Sale Millionaire. You can follow me on the GarageSaleMillionaire.com, Facebook, or on YouTube. And you can text me any questions that you have. I'll be happy to answer. Thanks a lot for watching. Again, I'm Aaron LaPedis, the Garage Sale Millionaire, wishing you the best estate sale you can have.